In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Outlook, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025. First things first, we need to log in to Monday.com. Once you're in, head over to the workspace or specific board where you want to set up this integration. This step ensures that the integration is tied to the appropriate projects or tasks that you're busily working on. After you've settled into the right board, it's time to explore the integrations. At the top right corner of your board, you'll notice an Integrate button. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a world of possibilities for connecting various apps. In the integrations library, type Outlook into the search bar. At this stage, you'll have the option to select either Outlook Calendar or Outlook Email, depending on your needs. This choice allows you to sync your tasks or manage emails respectively directly with Monday.com. With the integration selected, it's time to connect your Microsoft account. Clicking on Connect will link your Microsoft Outlook to Monday.com. Following that, sign in using your Microsoft credentials. It's crucial here to grant the necessary permissions for Monday.com to access your calendar or emails. This permission step is essential for seamless communication between the two applications. Now let's set up the automation part of the integration. Depending on how you work, you might choose to sync Monday.com tasks to your Outlook calendar or create new Monday.com items from Outlook emails. You also have the option to send reminders from Outlook when tasks are due in Monday.com. Once you've made your choice, it's time to configure these automations, select the board or specific items you wish to sync, and if needed, pick the appropriate Outlook calendar folder. Set up triggers, which could be based on task creation, due dates, or status changes to ensure everything runs smoothly. Testing the integration is the next logical step. To do this, create a test task in Monday.com or send a test email from Outlook. Check if these actions reflect correctly in the connected app. If things need fine-tuning, adjust settings like date and time, reminders, or even mapping fields. As you begin using the integration routinely, you'll notice how it streamlines your daily workflow. The Outlook calendar sync will display your Monday.com tasks right alongside meetings and events, keeping everything organized. You can also convert crucial Outlook emails into actionable Monday.com tasks and receive automated notifications straight to Outlook for tasks nearing deadlines. Finally, keep an eye on the integrations performance. If you encounter issues, revisit the integration section. Reconnecting your Outlook account might be necessary at times, and don't shy away from tweaking the automation rules to better suit your workflow. With everything set up, you're now ready to enjoy a more cohesive and efficient way to manage your tasks and communications.